The mailman has just been. He's brought a pickup.
What? Shit! Fucking pain in my ass.
Now, I'm very excited about this one, guys. When I saw it, do you know what? Let's just show you it. Hey, let's dig it out. Now, you know what that means. It's from Atkinson's. So, I'm going to have to attack this with the ghetto knife to get into it. Let's, let's... Fuck. Oh,
A few moments later.
So guys, it took me longer than I care to admit, but time for the reveal. So guys, you can see this is the Mason Mint Blackbeard Queen Anne's Revenge. Check that bad boy out. Absolutely amazing. So this is the antiqued version. This is 1 ounce of 3/9 silver. And I mean, this video probably will only do this justice. It's one of these things you have to have in your hands, and that respect, let's get that out of that case. I say it's one of those things you have to have in your hands, so with that respect, let's get it out of the case. So, it doesn't want to come out the case, so we'll at least get a closer look at this section. Look at that, Queen Anne's Revenge. I'm hoping this is focusing. So this is the Queen Anne's Revenge. Aye, down the bottom. This tickles the pirate in me. Down here you can see 1 ounce of 999 fine silver. And of course on the back you've got the man himself, Blackbeard, Avast G.
Ah, you won't take me!
And I mean, I love the design in these. I've had a wee look at some of the other designs. I'm thinking I'm going for the Viking one next. So, what do you think of these rounds, guys? Is there any you've got your eyes on? Let me know in the comments below. I just can't get away with it. I swore when I first started stacking silver, I was going to stick to Britannias like we all do. I was stacking for an investment, but there's that old coin collector in me that's just like, that's a shiny round, let's get it. Yeah, look at it. I'm so chuffed for that. I wish you could see my face here. I have got a cheeser. That is a lovely coin. I'm putting it back in the capsule. So that's going into the deep stack. I'm hoping to have a box soon that I can sit these all in.
Nerd!
Homer, that isn't very nice.
Marge, try to understand. As a jock, it is my duty to give nerds a hard time.
Keep them safe, because right now they're sort of kind of like stacked in little tubes, and it just annoys me. But stay tuned for any updates on that one. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. There's no pressure whatsoever on that one. But if you're not a member, I highly recommend coming and join Stacker Social. Scan the QR code there, or find the link, it's always in the description. Stacker Social is one of the biggest growing stacker communities on Discord. It's a fantastic bunch of guys and gals. Please come along and join, and I guarantee you'll receive a warm welcome. Bunch of legends in there, and we do have a buy and sell page as well, which is all peer reviewed, and you can see seller feedback, etc. So you know you're buying from a trusted seller. But yeah, I kind of waffle. We host different live events throughout the week. Doing a shameless plug here on Wednesday nights. Please come and join me in the Whiskey Lounge at 7 PM for a cheeky wee poker night. It's a chance to sit down, have a laugh, play some poker maybe, and have a wee drink. And there's the, well, you're watching this on my channel, so there's no point in plugging me. But guys, I've rambled on long enough. Thank you for watching, and until next time, guys. Look, actually, guys, before you go, I've got more pickups here, and I didn't know how to fit these into a channel. They're not coin or stacker related whatsoever, but they're picked up because of a member of the community showcasing these, and he's a complete rat for making me buy these.
Fuck you, asshole.
I have no impulse control, as you know. So, what have we got? We've got Theory11 playing cards. Check these out. These are awesome. I don't want to open these. I really don't. Premium playing cards. I'll have to find out how they get that sticker off. But these are Lord of the Rings inspired playing cards. And you think that's bad enough. We go from one extreme to the other. We go from the nostalgic fantasy realm, that the wonderful world building creation that is Tolkien, to Rick and Morty. Yeah, we've got Rick and Morty cards. Don't know why I bought these, but I'm a bit of a fan of Rick and Morty. I like serious and insane at the same time, so there we go. And it's just... I'm sorry, I've just realised there's a Pickle Rick giving me the finger right there. Absolutely love it. Get swifty. Absolutely, my friend. So, Si, you know I'm talking about you when I'm talking about these cards. Thank you very much for starting a new addiction in my life. That's the thing about Stackers Social. You'll always find a new thing to be addicted to. Cheers, my friend. If anybody knows, actually, before I go, anybody knows how I can display these, please let me know. I was thinking possibly about one of these old retro, and I'm cringing when I'm saying retro because I grew up with them.
I was there, Gandalf. I was there 3,000 years ago.
Cassette tape holders, just to display them. I don't know if these would fit. They seem to be about the size of a cassette tape. And I know I said retro, but let's face it, I grew up when cassette tapes were a thing. God, that's worrying. Anyway, yeah. Thank you, Si.
I fart in your general direction. Your mother was a hamster, and your father smelt of elderberry. Go away, or I shall taunt you a second time.
This video has been brought to you by Whiskey Nemo Productions. Stay tuned for more crazy content.